Bundle includes Xbox One X console, wireless controller, full game download of Fallout 76, 1-month Xbox Game Pass trial, and 1-month Xbox Live Gold. Xbox Live Gold required to play game, sold separately, 1 month included. Multiplayer comes to the epic, open-world Fallout RPG series from Bethesda Game Studios. Use the construction and assembly mobile platform, C.A.M.P, to build and craft anywhere in the world. Experience the largest, most dynamic world ever created in the legendary Fallout universe. All new graphics, lighting and landscape technology brings to life 6 distinct West Virginia regions. From the forests of Appalachia to the noxious crimson expanses of the Cranberry Bog, each region offers its own risks and rewards. Go it alone or team up with fellow survivors to unlock access to the ultimate weapon: nuclear missiles. Top reviews from the United States. Good deal. So essentially I got this bundle for the system and not the game. Fallout 76 has flopped with greed being the main hurdles that have been thrown in front of it. But let's not address that and more comment on the fact that when I saw this console abit over a month ago, it was $600 and at the time of this purchase has gone down $100 on bundles. This bundle being the cheapest for reasons stated above. Essentially you're getting the system cheaper than usual and the game is just thrown in as a bonus.